guys, welcome to Melva Tech Consult. Just like always, we bring you tech trends, tutorials, and then tips as well. Today on our video, I'm going to take you through how to set up a Panasonic TS500FX telephone. So that is what I'm going to take you through today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share our page, and stay tuned for more videos. Okay, so first of all, we're going to unbox the telephone device. That is a Panasonic TS500FX telephone. We're going to unbox it. So this is what we do first. Okay. So this is what it is. Good. So it comes with this connector that connects from the earpiece here to the main telephone device. And then we have this cable as well, which connects from the main device onto the ports on the wall. So you first of all connect this onto the port here. Great. Properly fixed. Then you connect on the side here, like this. Great. So at this point, there is a clear connection between this earpiece here and the main device. They are not connected to each other. So that's it. So on the side here, you can see the ringing. That is either to increase the volume or not. You can increase it in that order, increase it, and then reduce it in that order. So I put it in the middle, which is normal tone, tone. The loudness will be normal. Then we have the dialing as well. So you can also put it either on a high or low. So we just put it on and off. So it's currently on. But now, so now I'm going to connect this to the main telephone system here. So you can have it here. Good. And now this will be connected to the wall. To the wall. That is the port here. Wait.